Hello everyone, my name is Aman. I am software engineer with World Compliance Technology. I have received training from 360 Ripples in Java full stack development. The project I have completed is Insurance Hub, where a user can calculate his premium and buy insurance according to its requirement. The tech stack I have used for frontend, I use ReactJS, and for backend I have used Spring, and for testing of APIs I use Postman, and for databases I use MySQL. Here is the home page that you see. I have added a footer component here and a navbar here. Here is the about us page. Some mission statement or about our team have written here. And here is the become an agent page. If someone wants to partner with us, he can fill the form and be partner with us. Here is the main functionality. For example, the user can also find its premium without login. For example, let's fill it. I have done validation to all the fields. And digit mobile number. Annually, for example, I select 50,000. It will calculate its annual premium. Its annual premium is around 19,000 and get a life cover of 1 crore. You can also directly go to sign up page here and sign up for it, buy it. Let me show you the login page of user. It's the login page of user. You can try to sign in. I have done validation here also. Let me go here. For example, I put this and a random password. You should enter a valid email ID because I have not included @email. Let's go to sign up page. On sign up page also I have done validation. Let me fill it. For example, I am filling this form and then click on to submit. It will redact the password. Please enter password to fill it, and I am to redact the first name. So basically, I have to fill all the information here, and after that, I can sign. Let's go to the page and login as an admin. Here I have done validation. Only strings are allowed and packets allowed. Numeric key are allowed. Now we will try to sign in. So invalid and then because I have let me fill it with correct details. Let's try to sign. Show invalid. Please enter admin ID and password. You have not entered password. Correct detail. Here's the admin login. We have added 4 functionalities: add, find by ID, find all, and update. For example, add. I can add policy holder, policy details, pin codes. Similarly, I can find by ID, policy holder, pin codes. Then find all policy holder, policy detail, pin code, update, and update the details. Let's try with add method. I have also done validation here. For example, I am submitting directly here. Will redact to here. Please fill out the data. Let's fill out the data. And name and date of birth and address. Load pin code. Number. Also the value. For example, I will try to submit here. It will redact to this field. Please enter contact number and it should be of 10 digits. For email ID, expect email ID. Search. Add a policy holder. Show policy holder added successfully and all the fields have been resetted. Let's try to find out it. And let's try to insert a pin code also. Okay. One. But it's already inserted, so I'll try with another one. Let's name it as first building. Building. That's everything. Pin code inserted successfully. Let's try to find out. For example, what I have entered is 131005. Let me check it. Inserted or successfully inserted here. You can also find out a policy holder, policy details also. Let's try to find out policy holder. All the policy holder registered and show here, and all the pin code registered here also showing here. Let's try to update someone. For example, policy holder 5, I have entered a wrong email. Let's correct it. That update is phone numbers now. Address. Let's update its annual rectified. Showing policy holder carry successfully updated. Let's try to find out it's updated or not. Let's check it. This has been updated successfully. Thank you. That's it from my end.